We all know the dinosaur world was ruthless, massive carnivores hunting giant herbivores. Every day was a bloody battle for survival. But in recent years, fossils unearthed by paleontologists have revealed a much darker secret about these predators. Eating their own kind, cannibalism. In nature documentaries, we are used to seeing lions hunt antelopes. But what if a lion hunted another lion? In the prehistoric world, sometimes your greatest enemy wasn't another species. It was your own kind, standing right next to you with the exact same roar. Today, we dive into the blood-curdling evidence of cannibalism in the dinosaur world, fossils examined like forensic science, and the brutal biological reasons behind this terrifying behavior. Brace yourselves for the truth. When the word cannibal is mentioned in the scientific community, let's start with the first, clearest, and most ruthless name that comes to mind: Majungasaurus. Around 70 million years ago, it was the absolute ruler of the island of Madagascar. However, this island had an isolated ecosystem, and resources were highly limited. When scientists found a Majungasaurus bone, they noticed deep, saw-like cut marks on it. At first, they looked for another giant predator in the region. But there was a problem. There was absolutely no other carnivorous species living in Madagascar large enough to leave these marks. The teeth that left the marks perfectly matched the jaw structure of another Majungasaurus. This wasn't just a simple territorial fight. The marks on the bone showed that the meat was systematically stripped from the bone. This meant the winner didn't just kill the loser, but also turn them into a feast. Was it starvation or just opportunism? Experts believe that during severe droughts in the island ecosystem, Majungasaurus didn't hesitate to hunt their own kind to survive. What about the undisputed king of the dinosaurs? Can you imagine Tyrannosaurus Rex being a member of this dark club? Fossils don't lie. There is definitive proof that T-Rex also ate its own kind. During excavations in North America, massive T-Rex foot and arm bones were found with very deep gouges belonging to, again, massive T-Rex teeth. These bite marks were so huge that it was physically impossible for any other creature on the continent to leave them. But there is a crucial detail here that divides scientists. Were T-Rexes actually hunting each other for food? Or were they eating the corpses of rivals killed in territorial battles? Most paleontologists point out that a T-Rex required an incredibly high amount of calories, and the body of a dead T-Rex meant tons of free meat. So this was likely opportunistic scavenging rather than active hunting. But whatever the reason, the massive jaws of a T-Rex were tearing into the flesh of one of its own. Let's rewind time a bit further, back to the Jurassic period. The most terrifying predator of the era, also known as the Lion of the Jurassic, Allosaurus. When thousands of bones were examined at the Mygat Moor Quarry in America, a shocking picture emerged. Tooth marks belonging to other Allosaurus were found on hundreds of Allosaurus bones. Moreover, these were on areas with the least amount of meat, like the toes. Why would a dinosaur gnaw on the toes of its own species? Modern biology and today's predators give us the answer. Climate research shows that the region experienced a very severe and prolonged drought during that time. Herbivores died and the food chain collapsed. Just like starving Komodo dragons or crocodiles do today, Allosaurus attacked each other out of desperation, or stripped the dead down to the last bone. Nature is ruthless, and the goal isn't to follow moral rules, but simply to make it to the next day. Dinosaurs weren't monsters. Just like animals today, they were living beings, programmed to survive, playing by the rules dictated by nature. And sometimes these brutal rules required eating the one closest to you just to keep breathing. These deep tooth marks on fossils continue to whisper to us just how ruthless and harsh a place the world was millions of years ago. Which predators do you think carry on this dark legacy today? Let's discuss in the comments. If you enjoyed this prehistoric journey, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. See you in the next mystery. Stay curious.